Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so the update won't fail. You check model, OS build, storage, and battery, backup critical files to cloud or external media. Once done, review release notes to understand changes and risks, and note any required app updates. Then enable a stable Wi-Fi connection and plug into power to prevent interruptions. This first phase prevents data loss and ensures compatibility, so you can proceed with confidence and avoid rollback scenarios later. You now fetch and apply the update. Open the official updater in Settings or the vendor tool, then initiate the download over a stable Wi-Fi connection. Avoid cellular if large. While downloading, make sure power remains connected and background apps are minimized. Once the package is ready, accept prompts and choose immediate or scheduled install. Some systems require a restart to finalize. During installation, the device may reboot several times. This is normal, so let it complete without canceling to ensure file. You finish by validating the update worked and fixing any issues. Once the device restarts, check the version number and run core apps to confirm functionality. Clear app caches if performance lags. Make sure settings and accounts synced correctly, then review the changelog for feature changes. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to isolate issues. If necessary, restore from the backup you made earlier or contact vendor support with logs. One key tip: keep your backup until the system runs smoothly for 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.